is in here. Come and see. They have lovingly sent me some lovely organic natural skincare products plus their CBD oil 5%. So I'm going to be testing these out for a week and doing a lovely review. Che cos'è il CBD? Perché NATURECAN scopre della nostra gara. Are we ready? Transparent beauty. Oh, lovely. Oh, nice. Oh, and a little cloth. So we've got moisturizer, hand cream, multi-use balm, lip balm thing. So, NATURECAN. Do they know it's Christmas time at all? Hello everyone, welcome to my Christmassy bedroom. It's the first time that I've shown you this little section. It's my book section, my plant section. I've got some paintings that I've been doing there. Welcome and Merry Christmas, because it was Christmas a few days ago. So this is a quick review just to let you know how I got on with it. As most of you know, I don't really use anything for my face. This is me like completely makeup free, natural moisturizers, beauty balms and lip balms and a nice face cloth, flannel, and the CBD oil. So it's the first time I've actually used this. This is 5%. From what I've read, most people, I think they're using 30% and above, and they're using like 1 to 2 drops. Instead, with this one, which is 5%, you can use, I think it's up to 30 drops, I think, a day. I'd only went up to, I think, 10 or something. To be honest, I wasn't using that often. But I think this can be beneficial, especially for people who are suffering from nervous syndromes, from multiple sclerosis symptoms, or any of this kind of thing where it's like a nerve or body pain kind of thing, especially anxiety and panic attacks. So if you are looking for some sort of solution that is not involving harmful pills that are going to give you horrible side effects, then try it. Maybe go with something that's a bit healthier for you, which is the CBD oil. Try that. And for the other things, for my the one thing that I didn't like about this, the taste can be a little bit pungent, but maybe that's just me. I'm really sensitive to any taste that is strong. But it wasn't like it was disgusting. It went away straight away. It was just a little bit strong for the taste. The effects, I don't know if I felt much. I definitely felt a bit more relaxed, and it probably was because I only took a very small amount. But if you are one of these people who are a bit anxious, this could be an excellent game changer for you. So give it a go, try it, the CBD oil. Plus, obviously, you know, this company is organic, and I'm sure that they do this all in a completely sustainable way. So, you know, stick with an organic, sustainable company and not the big guys, because they are ruining the planet. NATURECAN, so I can dream a dream come true. Next next one we've got the Beauty Balm and the moisturiser. I tried both. I like the Beauty Balm on my hands. It's actually lovely and soft and gives this lovely, lovely finish afterwards. The moisturiser, I used it on my face a few times. It's pretty light, it didn't cause me any breakouts. If you feel like you need a moisturiser, it's a good alternative. The lip balm, I tried that quite a few times. It was nice. Soft, it's like shea butter, avocado oil and some other natural ingredients. Because that's what we need. Everyone knows that our skin is our largest organ basically, and everything that we're putting on our skin just gets literally sucked back into our bloodstream. So we want to make sure. That's the wind, guys. I hope you can't hear that. It's like it sounds like some sort of monster is coming from next door. When we're putting harmful chemicals onto our skin, it's getting back into our bloodstream and it's basically poisoning us. There's no other way about it. And the thing is that these chemicals take a long time to get out of the body again. And they can reside in our cells, reside in our body for years. And people might have these crazy skin conditions like psoriasis, hives, all these other skin conditions that can be quite simply treated by stop putting on all these perfumed moisturisers and soaps and all this stuff that we really don't need. We didn't have it before, we only have it now within the last 50 years has all this stuff come out, and people are having huge problems and huge issues. So all of these products, you know, they're all from nature. They're all based on shea butter, avocado, coconut oil, hemp oil. This kind of stuff is nice. There is one more thing in it. It's not vegan, so if you are vegan like me, maybe wouldn't want to get something like this. But it's hydrolyzed collagen. Quite a lot of people take this as a supplement. I don't, and I won't. But otherwise, all in all, I mean, it was nice products. And I'm always happy to support other organic producers like myself. You know, we have a farm, we produce most of our food in organic methods, and we're also artists, we're designers, and everything that we grow, we use. You know, everything from the wood, from the willow, from all the natural plants. So anything for me that is being grown in an organic, sustainable way, I am completely supporting. And we all bloody well should, because the planet, that's exactly what it needs, is more people who give a crap. So, you know, when you're using natural products, you're not giving your body any more hard work to do to get rid of all the toxins. You're actually helping it. It's like a symbiosis. You're helping it, you're aiding it in healing, you're aiding it in protecting it from the elements and whatever. So, I hope that was useful to you. I hope you start to think twice about what you're actually putting on your skin, and just do yourself a favour and use healthier natural products. If you want to try this one out, there is going to be a discount code for all the people that watch my videos, so you can click on the link below and there'll be a discount code. And in future, if you want more reviews, more girly talk about makeup and things, we can do that. And I might even do a few videos on, you know, my skincare routine and any makeup, vegan makeup, natural makeup that I use. So if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments below. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye, and Merry Christmas to you.